Hey, Donald Miller here, Donald Miller Electrical Services. So Ardmore Rewire, the homeowners just moved out. They will be out of the house for 10 days. So this is a move out rewire, okay? And the guys did such a good job prepping today, so I might as well put it up on a video for day one. All right, so here we go. All right, so this is the living room. All right. Homeowners will be out of the house for 10 days. It's a full rewire. And it's carpeting, so we're using drop cloths, and then we're using a plastic underlayment. All right, and you'll see that as we go through. All right. This is how we prep. And we have the old push buttons. Oh, they're awesome. The mechanical push button. Oftentimes, we're in Ardmore, so they were made. Some of them were made in New Jersey, right over the bridge, 1920s. All right, so we're in the back of the living room. We're the parlor, so they would say. There's the dining room. This is the kitchen. Now this all started from a tree coming down here. And this still has to get protected. So we'll protect the woodwork tomorrow. Primarily we have to get the house protected. And by doing this ensures a clean house when we're done. So when we're done rewiring, we'll pull all the plastic up, we'll pull all the drops up, we'll wipe the house down, and the house will be clean. Yeah, we protect everything. No reason to wipe a window down if it's protected. Okay, because whatever we don't protect, we have to wipe down. Okay. And this is even with our dust-free equipment. This is just extra protection on top of it. We did that room. The bathroom will protect a little bit, but for the most part, the bathroom should be fine. Like, I think we might have a little bit of work over here to do. Check out the 5-star sink. All right. And one more. It's a 4-bedroom on the second floor. And there's 2 more bedrooms upstairs. Big home. We have 10 days to rewire this place. 10 days. And we'll get it done. We're going to start working 12-hour days tomorrow. And then, as we don't need to, all right, and here we go. We're on board. All right. I believe there's a bathroom up here. Yep. In the bathroom. Cool cast iron tub. All right, so day one, Ardmore Rewire. It's going well. We'll probably start opening up and start cutting tomorrow. So I'll try to make a midway through video, but I'll definitely show you the end result for when we're done. Thanks for watching. God bless. Take care. Bye-bye.